Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you have been sulking saying I can't exercise is very bad, I can't afford a gym, I don't know how to work out in this lockdown, exercise is not my cup of tea, then today's video is for you. In today's video I'll show you how you can lose 100 calories in just 10 minutes. So stay on this walk with me. This is a simple multi-muscle walk which I have found out during this lockdown time, and I was very excited to share with you on how simply you can get fit, on how simply you can lose weight. So just in the premises of your home and just spend 10 minutes and today do this workout with me. So let's get started. If you like what I'm doing, then please click the subscribe button, like and share with your family members. Also follow me on Instagram and Facebook for daily updates on daily meal plans, daily exercises and all the fun that you have. So just start by walking at one place. Easy, simple walk at one place. And then kick. Just kicks, gentle kicks. Remember that this might feel like a dance and it might feel very easy, but once done repeatedly, it does have effect on your ab muscles. Just go on kicking simply, and remember that your core and your back should be straight and it should not be hunched while you are kicking. Do this 10 times. Do this with me. Yes, just like this, broad kicks, straight body, and go on kicking. Now back to work again. Remember, do this 10 minutes workout without any break. Whenever you feel tired, just go and walk. This is highly inspired from Leslie Sanson, who hosts a wonderful program on as Walk at Home. Now raise your knees and try to touch it through your hands. Raise alternate knees. So again your core should be straight. Yes, go on. And because this has a wonderful effect on your core, on your abs and on your side love handles as well. So just do it at the pace I am doing. I'm sure it is very slow. Do it 10 times and then you are again back to walking. Walk at one place. Now just walk forward 2 steps and clap, walk forward back and clap. Now this clap makes it look like a dance, but it also engages your hands and legs together. Enjoy it while doing. Play your favorite song and just do it. Do it with me. I'm sure you will thank me 10 minutes later. Just do it again. I'm sure you are enjoying it right now. And keep on doing it. Back to working. The moment you are tired, you are back to working. And while you work, move your hands and arms too. So this is a wonderful form of exercise where you involve all the muscles in your body. So next time, if you have an excuse that I don't want to work out, I don't have the means to work out, I can't go to the gym, the next is this simple step and tap. Step and tap. So I'm just stepping in one leg and tapping in another. So just do 2 at one time in any direction you wish. Step and tap, step and tap, step and tap. So all these movements which are present in this workout have a cumulative effect on your entire body, and you will definitely feel good after 10 minutes. Forget about any weight loss or you will just feel fit, you will feel happy, you will see happy hormones releasing. So step and tap, all these has to be again done for 10 times and then I'm back to work again. Now again kicks, back to kicks. So while your core is strong and straight and tall. So while the reason why we do this kicks, this repetition of kicks after some time after every exercise is because it relaxes our legs. So you do it 10 times and then you go back to your back. So anytime you are tired in this workout, just slow walk at one place, but don't stop, no breaks. So it is just 10 minutes. I'm sure you can do it. Then you split your legs wide apart and then walk, and then just simply kick back, kick back, kick back. And again each leg 10 times. I'm raising my hands for some balance and just bend down a little low so that your thigh muscles get more impact, and carry on. And then raise your hands up. So it involves your upper body and lower body together. So both the body parts are now working out and you are dancing to your pace, to this wonderful pace, and while doing all this you are getting fit. So back to walking again, 10 repetitions each side, and again for a few seconds or a minute I just walk till I switch to my next movement. So it's just the side steps, you move your legs sideways. I'm sure, so you can take bigger steps. Now I'm just bending a little down because again more impact on my thigh muscles. If you have any knee pain or something, you can just do it straight. And I'm also clapping together. My son enjoys this workout with me and dances with me. So just go 2 steps each side, depends on the length you have in your house, and engage your hands, and then again back to walking. Simple. And then raise your hands up and down, up and down, up and down. Again straight core, straight tummy. Tummy is tucked in actually. Then up and down. Something for the upper body now. Then front, front, front. Do it 10 times. 10 times up, 10 times to the front. Stretching your arms, stretching your shoulders. Then back to walk again. Very simple, very wonderful way of working out. So I'm so inspired by this form of workout. Now you raise your knee and touch your hips the way I'm doing. So what happened, your waistline gets trimmed by this. You can see my waistline is involved, and then I'm doing it 2 times each side and lifting my knee and touching 2 times my hips. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Simply like a dance. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So the area around the hip, the waist, the tummy. Then again hands up, upper body. 10 times, stretching your arms and shoulders. And then front. Do it all with a smile. And then back to walk again the moment you are tired. See, I'm slowing down because I'm also getting tired. You can slow down while the end of the workout. And then heels down. This is called heels down. Means you just come to the front and put your heels to the front of one leg. Again, this is a way of relaxing your legs, stretching your legs. Heels down. Do it 10 times each side, heels down. And while you do this, enjoy it with putting the opposite arm up. Heels down, arms up. Heels down, arms up. So you are involving your upper body and lower body together. And then back to walk. Just 10 times. I mean, you will not even know that when this movement is over. Do it with me. And again, I am back to step and tap. Step and tap. Step and tap. To each side. This doesn't even feel like a workout, and it has so many benefits. So I'm sure you will not wait for another Monday to do this workout. Save this video and do it when you are not feeling like workout. Do it when your mind excuses that no, I'm not going to. And also while you are doing this, do let me know in the comments box how you felt after doing this. If you have just started exercising, I know you will feel great because it is so easy. You can share it with your parents, with your in-laws, and just dance with them. It is simple workout. Do let me know in the comments box if you like these simple form of workouts, or you like me to post more healthy recipe videos. Your comments are the best things that I wait for. Please comment if you want me to post more workout videos, more recipe videos. Now again, I'm spreading my legs apart after walking and moving to kickbacks and sitting down a little bit low so as to involve more of my thigh muscles. But if you cannot do this, you can do it straight also. And then I'm pulling my hands with this kickback. Pull and kickback. Pull and kickback. Looks like a dance, right? Pull and kickback. And then I'm again back to walking. Just 10 times and back to walking. Then I'm again doing using my upper body. Up and out now. Up and out. Up and out. Up and out. So different body parts getting involved in just 10 minutes, making us fitter, making us fresh, making us happy. So, I hope you liked today's workout. Stay connected with me. Please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.